Today, we are on a mission to find the absolute best spot in this city when you can eat like a king. And I mean actually delicious, no tourist trap garbage for under 20 euros. Yeah, you heard me, just 20 euros. But I'm not doing this alone. I'm getting help from Mick, a local Parisian, and he's taking us on his top 5 best eating spot for under 20 euros. For a sandwich the size of my head.
A barbecue sandwich from the best barbecue place outside of Texas.
Outside of Texas?
Yes.
So if you're ready to eat in Paris properly without blowing your budget, grab a fork because we're going in. Allez, on y va.
So this stop is called Alain Miam Miam, famous for great sandwiches, famous with Parisians.
Let's go. Chez Miam Miam. I mean, there's nothing on the outside.
You know American style.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like the same concept. You select the toppings that you want, like all the meats. You can actually see it's from the butcher. Everything is super fresh. They actually love their craft.
We can try it. I want to try it too.
So,
I don't know.
So this one is Comté,
And that's Cantal.
this one is Cantal cheese, right?
Yeah, Cantal.
Cantal.
Yeah, it's got a little bit more flavor. Is that my sandwich? So avocado.
Pasta avec galette garnish.
And then at the base it's salad and tomatoes. Yeah.
look at the amount of cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it's not pre-sliced.
That's some cheese. Look at the amount of meat. That's actually real smoked beef. They put a whole bunch. When you use the best ingredients to make a sandwich and you make it with love, well, what do you get?
Toasted.
Oh, you're gonna toast it?
Yeah.
You want?
Oh yeah, of course. I want the way you prepare it. But I've never seen this place without a line out the door.
We arrived like super early. There was like 10 people at the door. Inside it was almost full.
Yeah, so basically if you come in here, like come early, like don't come between 12 and 1.
Mix-moi.
Yeah, perfect. Thank
Merci beaucoup.
you. Merci, on partage. Merci bien, monsieur.
Look at that.
That's next level sandwich, man.
Yeah, and you can see all the layers, all the colors. Look at the green of the avocado. That's like super fresh.
You can taste the meat, you know, the saltiness of the meat. Cantal cheese, melted, panini style with vegetables, mushroom, salad, tomato,
Onions, avocado.
avocados. So the food quality and taste out of 10. How do you rate that?
It's really good. All the ingredients are fresh. It's
Yeah.
just like it's really good.
It's a 10. Presentation,
I think for me it's good.
it's a 7 out of 10.
It serves the purpose of what it's supposed to do.
The portion.
It's fine. Like if you eat the sandwich, then you're full, then you're done for the day. You're not gonna have a craving in 2 hours.
If I ate like the whole sandwich, it's a 10 out of 10. It's perfect. The ambience and everything is very Parisian. We're elbow to elbow. We're on top of everyone. Like,
But I think it's also part of the charm. They stay true to who they are.
and the last one is the value. So this was a 15 euro because we ate it here.
Yeah.
It'll be 13.50 if we take it to go. 25, right? You agree? Yeah, there's no doubt. I have a Floridian next to me. He'd say, yeah, 25 bucks for that. So if you're in Paris, you want to have an amazing sandwich and not break the bank, right here. Are you starting? Ready to go?
I'm gonna take you to another place.
Let's go. When you have a line out the door, it's
Yeah.
usually indicative this is good stuff.
For sure. This place has the best classic Parisian sandwiches. You have the menu of all the different items. Not easy to read.
It looks like you have the horse head on top, and then if you remove the Z and then you put a V in there, it says Chevaline.
Yeah, I think it was a horsemeat butcher. Why change it? Why not just keep it? Remove the V, put a Z, and then it actually says Chez Aline, which is like chez somebody, which means at someone's place. It's smart to do it like that. No single tourist, everybody speaks French. And on the menu, the most expensive thing that you have is $9.
All right, let's go and see if we can find a bench.
I've got it.
Yeah.
I kinda like how it's rolled. It looks like very vintage.
She actually corrected me. She says, this is not a jambon beurre because you put cheese in it. It's good jambon beurre. You know, I tried the one at Caractère de Cochon, which was an amazing jambon beurre.
You can see the ham looks beautiful. It's pretty generous.
Nice. I'm gonna put a Frenchie sticker here so you can actually see where we were sitting. Copious amounts of cheese, jambon chiffonade, and some butter. Am I eating this whole thing, or you want
No,
another bite?
you're not. I wanna finish it.
Hold on, let me tell you the history of jambon beurre. How's the food quality and the taste for you?
I would put it at 10. Great
Yeah.
bread, very good ham.
For me, it's a 10. It's exactly how a jambon beurre should taste like.
If there was no line, nobody at the store, I would walk in and walk out.
So from a touristic standpoint, it's a 5 out of 10, but from a vintage standpoint, it's a 10 out of 10. So, well, you know what? You go and check it out when you're in Paris and you let us know what you thought of it.
It's a great value for €6.40. You eat that. If you're not a big eater, it's gonna fill in the spot.
It's amazing value for less than $7. Where are we going next?
Burgers are very trendy.
Yeah.
You can find them all over the place. You can find some pretty regular, not so great hamburgers, and then you can find some pretty delicious ones. And guess which one we're gonna try today?
Which one?
The delicious one.
All right, let's go. Now, trying to find a great restaurant in Paris is like looking for a needle in a haystack. There are 14,000 restaurants in Paris, and it's very easy to find one that is just like so-so. So we've put together a list of 125 of our favorite restaurants in Paris for all kinds of budgets and all kinds of tastes. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. Just check it out and see if it's a good fit for you.
I knew it was cheap. I didn't know it was that cheap.
Yeah.
But now it's gotta figure out if it lives up to quality and taste.
Well, we'll see.
Good de Perrier. Allez.
Dude, we have 2 more places to eat. You know that, right? Yeah. So, the first question I gotta ask is how much was the total for all of this? Homemade fries?
Yeah, you can actually taste it. Just the look of it, the fries are really good. Yeah, that's beef bacon.
And this is not bacon. What is this hamburger called?
This hamburger is called, I didn't name it, it's called the Bad Motherfucker.
But you gotta show it to me. So it's like dripping in cheese.
You want me to lift the hood?
Yeah, lift the hood.
Just actual meat,
Yeah.
a bunch of things in there. Onions, pickles, American mustard. Let's give it a try.
Man, you got sauce all over your beard.
It comes with the price.
I was surprised actually by the price, like how low it is, and I was like, oh, I hope it's a decent burger.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, man.
The beer is full of sauce as well.
Well, but I feel like a little sweetness. It's just really a regular crappy burger.
Yeah. The name of the restaurant is Mangez et Cassez-vous, which literally translates into eat and fuck off, pretty much.
That's exactly what it means.
In France, people come for lunch or dinner, they sit down and they stay for hours. And then you're like, well, I'm waiting 45 minutes just to sit down. Some people are just like chit-chatting, having coffee, talking politics, and you're like, I want to eat, so please
Yeah,
eat
please
and
do.
fuck off. That's exactly how they started this chain. This restaurant is located near Opera House in a little side street. And actually in this area, you have a lot of very expensive, trendy places. And sometimes it's a bit hard to actually find a good spot.
The food quality and the taste, how would you rate it out of 10?
I think I would rate it a 6, maybe a 7 for the fries. I think
No.
it's
a 5.
a 5.
Yeah. What about the presentation?
It's as bare minimum as you can get.
I would give it a 9 out of 10. It's perfect. You got plenty of sitting everywhere. They give you a nice little tray like this.
I would give it a little less. Let's give it an 8.
An 8? All right, well, I'll settle with an 8.
Thing, but you cannot really easily read it.
Yeah.
So we had 2 burgers, 1 bacon and cheddar fries, which is a decent size, and 2 drinks. So enough for a meal for 2 people.
Uh-huh.
And we paid €13.40. You can easily go to some spot and pay for the same thing, except it's in the plate, $25. So I would say it's an amazing value.
What are we trying next? Because I'm starving.
Let's try a burger.
No.
We're gonna try something else.
What about a kebab?
Kebab is actually kind of like a staple.
It is.
In Paris, but then you have to be careful between the amazing places and
the
then
crap.
some.
So you're taking me
very
to a
crappy
great place?
No, we're gonna take you to a crappy place and see how you like it. Let's try.
We've put together a scorecard with all the restaurants we reviewed. It's a free download. Just got the name of the restaurants, our scorecard, and then links to Google Maps. So I'm gonna put a link in the description below. Just check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. It's free, so take advantage of it. Not all kebabs are created equal.
Exactly.
Some suck. Many of them suck.
This one has good genes, so we're gonna go and try it. And the veggies, you can actually have salads, onions, tomatoes and cucumbers, and there's a little bit of cheese on top. Very Mediterranean.
Yes. I like the way you say it. And then I can see that you can make this veggie.
If you want a vegetarian option, there you go. And it's cheaper. Who knew?
Nice. Look at him. Is that ours?
I think so, yeah.
Oh yeah. Merci bien. Et une frite.
Oh,
Fais goûter.
so it's like, I'm gonna make you try all the sauces.
He's a French fry connoisseur. Is that the right thing?
Yeah, come on.
Look at this. How much did you spend on this?
That's actually $9.40.
$40 for a sandwich the size of my head,
Yes, plus the fries right here.
plus the fries.
And the sauces, like homemade sauces.
Dollar for dollar, I would eat this 10 times before the burger. Eating a kebab is an art. It's an art form.
Merci.
Thank you, boss. I didn't do a very good job at it, but it's spicy, lemony, but it's a very mild spice.
You want more of that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take another bite. You don't know you want to share, right?
The more you go down into the meat, into the sauce, it's amazing.
We gotta try all the sauces. We told them we were filming, so it's like, oh, very cool and everything. So, like, try this, try this, try that.
So I'm gonna give it a shot. That looks like a mayo. Feels like lemon mayo. Really good.
Yeah.
Very natural. And just for that, double thumbs up. This one, that's like the spicy sauce. Well, I would expect so.
That's spicy?
Spicy. You should try it.
No, I don't do spicy.
Take a full sip.
I mean, I do spicy, but not kebab spicy. What do you call this one?
That's the secret sauce. It's not so spicy. There's a little kick.
Yeah. Yeah, a little kick. I want to try the lemony mayo. Very up my alley. This is very good. How would you rate the food quality and the taste out of 10?
A 9 or a 10.
It's a 10 for me. Presentation?
It was good.
It's really designed for takeout, but you actually have 6 tables. For a street food like that, I'll give it an 8.
I would give it an 8 as well.
What about the portion?
It's very generous.
You give it a 10?
I would give it a 10.
How much was this?
Big sandwich with all the fries
Yeah.
and the sauces. It was $9.40.
$9.40.
So the
below
drinks,
10.
the drinks are coming additional. It's like 1, 2, 3 euros. But yeah, $9.40 for this, dude. I'm coming here every week.
Comparatively to the burger at, Manger et Cassez-vous.
3 more euros. I'm coming here. Now we're gonna try
Yeah.
a barbecue sandwich from
Barbecue
the
sandwich.
best barbecue place outside of Texas.
Outside of Texas?
Yes.
Let's go.
We're very close to Sacré-Cœur. Sacré-Cœur is actually right here. We're not on the right angle.
I can see it completely when you put your hand in
Yes,
front of my
it's
face.
right here.
Right there. Well, Sacré-Cœur is right there.
We're gonna try this spot right here.
Right here?
And they have now multiple locations across Paris. They have one location which is like a really sit-in restaurant where they really smoke all the meat, like briskets and ribs and all that stuff.
Let's go. Vámonos. Pulled pork, golden beef.
So that's actually the amount of time that each meat was actually cooked. So for the pulled pork, it's 10 hours, golden beef, 12.
Let's do one pulled pork.
Okay.
Take it. Yes. Oh, two trays. Thank
En
you.
plus, vous partagez directement votre sandwich.
Ah, ok, super.
Bon appétit.
Merci bien, merci bien. Look at this. I mean, it's a copious amount of meat.
Well, actually, like, when Colleen used to make pulled pork?
Yeah, yeah,
That's
she's not from
exactly how it
Texas.
smelled like.
Oh, I can see that transports you right back to the States.
Really good. It comes with the sandwich is hot, so it's also really pleasant. There's a couple pickles in there.
If you're from Texas, you must come here and you must leave a comment. You know, perfect pick-me-up sandwich.
The bread is really soft, which makes it very good to eat.
They went to the source in Texas to learn how to make this, and this is really good. So this is a coleslaw made with vinegar as opposed to cream. All right, let's rate this out of 10. The food quality and the taste.
It was really melting in my mouth. It was really good.
Yeah, 10 out of 10, no question. Presentation?
That type of tray, it's like exactly what I had in the States. This, that rings a bell. That feels like America. We don't have that in France, by the way.
Yeah.
I like the open kitchen. When you actually see the guy making your sandwich, is what you would expect in most places in Paris. So I don't know, a 9.
I'm with that, a 9. So we paid $16 for a pulled pork sandwich, coleslaw, and a drink. But the pulled pork sandwich by itself is 11 euros, a little on the pricey side, but
I think even for Paris, it's a little bit on the pricier side for a sandwich and a side of salad.
Another amazing option for a meal under 20 euro in Paris.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm good, thank you, man.
Well, I'll take you to another place now. I think we're done for the day.
Let's go have a beer.